Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Craig Spodak at the Spodak Dental Group, and I'm really excited to have Dr. Tiffany Peterson with us today. Dr. Peterson's celebrating 5 years with our practice. It's incredible how time has just flown, huh?
Yeah, time has gone by. We've come a long way in 5 years, and we're doing a lot of things that we weren't doing 5 years ago. The most important of those is the sedation dentistry. I'm certified to do sedation dentistry. We also have one of every specialist that is also certified to do sedation dentistry. So in our office, if you want to go to sleep for your dentistry, we can do it all in one visit.
It's true. Well, let me think back. 5 years ago, what did we have? We just had perio was our only specialty at that time,
Yeah,
or Dr. Prue was here, right?
we had a periodontist, yeah, 5 years ago, and we had an oral surgeon that was coming from Miami one day a month. Now we
Right,
have a full-time oral surgeon.
right.
She's wonderful, Dr. Toll, and we're doing a lot of things for people that need to be done on an emergency basis, which is great. We had a half a day of a root canal specialist, and
Yeah,
now we
Dr.
have
Prue, yeah.
2 full days.
And now he's sedation trained too. So he's one of
Right.
the only sedation trained root canal specialists I think in our entire area.
Yeah, he is. There's really no one else around here that does what we do.
That's awesome. What's really nice about what you offer with sedation dentistry is that a person that's like maybe been scared to go to the dentist for 10 or 15 years and
Mhm.
it's mounted in such a big problem now they don't even know where to start.
Mhm.
You can come in, they can see you as the general dentist, and you're kind of like the quarterback.
Yeah.
You're like this needs to be done first, that needs to be done second, and we can actually sometimes put together the whole case in as little as one day and just erase years of neglect.
Right, yeah, and it's really important for those patients that are fearful. Not only the ones that have been away from the dentist a long time. Fear and anxiety in your life in any form is crippling, and we can deal with that in such a wonderful way because you come in, you go to sleep, and you're not aware of anything, and then when you wake up, it's over,
Exactly.
and the dentistry is done, and you can go on with your life as usual.
So that's awesome. So besides just the sedation dentistry, you're also doing quite a bit of other things as well as like Invisalign, correct?
Yeah, I'm doing quite a bit of Invisalign, which is wonderful for adults who don't want to have metal braces. Invisalign uses clear plastic aligners to straighten your teeth over time, and we get really great results.
We do.
I did Invisalign myself. You actually did my
I
Invisalign for
did,
me,
and
which
you were
is
compliant,
wonderful.
which is amazing.
I know.
You actually wore
Dentists make the worst patients.
We
That's
do.
the truth. But yeah, it's a great. I can speak to it from a patient standpoint. I got the bright white smile that I wanted in a very short amount of time, which was
That's
great.
true.
I also do all forms of dentistry on adults when they're awake, which is wonderful because people still get small little cavities. So we do regular fillings, we do single unit crowns, and everything that you could possibly need here. And if I can't do it, there is someone here that can, which is
Absolutely.
wonderful.
And also, just for the public to know, we have our own lab and we also have CEREC. So
Yep.
if it's a very tricky case and it's complicated because of color matching, we have our own lab on site and we can literally have the lab technician come chairside and make a perfect match no matter what tooth it is, even if it's your very front tooth.
Right, and in the same token, like you said, CEREC, we can do a tooth in as little as 3 hours. If your tooth breaks and you can only get out of work for the afternoon, we can maximize your time, take that afternoon, get you a tooth back where your tooth broke.
Yeah, no temporaries. It's actually the permanent tooth. It's all milled
Mhm.
right here on the office, so it's really cool. So what is it exactly that got you into dentistry, and what is it that you love so much about your job? Because I can tell just by working with you for all these years, you absolutely love what you do.
I do. I love that dentistry is never the same. Even if you're doing something, the same procedure on a different patient, like it's never the same. I love interacting with the people. I love working with my patients, and I love working here with my family because, let's face it, we spend a lot of time at work, and we have a great Spodak family here. No matter what I want to do, I know that I'm always going to have someone here that wants to help me with it.
That's awesome, and you do so much. I mean, let me call attention to the fact that you're involved with the Junior League, and you put together our free dental days, and the ABDA race that we did. I'm missing a whole bunch. I mean, can you tell me some of the things in the last, 8 months or a year?
We've had a couple free dental days here at the office where we provide care to people who can't necessarily get to the dentist or can't afford it. We've done the Freedom Day for the veterans.
Right, that was in September.
Yeah, that was in September. And, it's really important that we are giving back as well as participating with community things because it's important. And we live here in Delray Beach. We love Delray Beach. We're doing another beach cleanup soon. It'll be our 5th beach cleanup, which is great. And, like I said, it's our family. We spend a lot of time with these people that we work with, and And it's just fabulous.
Yeah, and I'm so proud to work alongside you and you know have this relationship. It is like family to me, and you know I know we all care about each other very much, and it's really nice that we invest not only in the relationships in our family of patients, but our family that we work with as well.
Agreed.
So I'm really excited to be celebrating 5 years with you. That's
I know.
awesome. Good
Thank
stuff.
you.
And for the people at home that are watching this video, please call us, make an appointment. Now you know Dr. Peterson, one of 10 of our doctors, including myself at the Spodak Dental Group. We really look forward to meeting you in person.